In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play split screen in LEGO Jurassic World. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up split screen mode for LEGO Jurassic World. This will allow you to share the same screen on any platform, and it is going to work on any platform where the game has been released. So, a Nintendo Switch, PlayStation console, Xbox console, and so on. All that you need is an additional controller that player 2 is going to be using. So grab an additional controller and connect it to your platform. If you are doing this on an Xbox, you will have to press the synchronize button and then synchronize it wirelessly. And for PlayStation, you press and hold the PlayStation and share button for a few seconds. Or if you want to, you can also just use a cable. So you plug one end of a cable into the controller and the other one into the console. You can set up the controllers however you prefer, but they have to be connected to the platform. Once the controller has been connected, get inside of the game, and if you look at the top right corner of the screen, here, where the icon for player 2 is going to appear, periodically it is going to say press F2 if you are on PC, or any button to start. If you are using a controller or you are doing this on a console, of course this prompt is going to change. So all that you have to do is press any button available on your controller. It doesn't matter which order, this should immediately prompt split screen mode. If you go into the settings, you can also change how it functions between fixed vertical and then dynamic, which changes how the screen is going to be split up. And once everything has been set up accordingly, there will be a cut between your screen, giving each player their own dedicated area that they can look into. It is a very fun way to enjoy these games because all that you need is an additional controller and only one copy of the game. And split screen mode is going to be available on any release of LEGO Jurassic World, so every single platform will have it. I hope I was able to help you on how to play split screen LEGO Jurassic World. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.